Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the mouse has charge and a stable connection. This prevents interrupted firmware updates. Install Logitech GHUB, then plug the Superlight 2 into the USB-C cable or insert the dongle. Once done, open GHUB and allow driver installation. This registers the device and unlocks settings. Make sure to quit conflicting utilities because they can block profile saving. The app will detect the mouse automatically. If it doesn't, replug the dongle and retry. You now tune performance. Open the DPI tab and pick primary values or create a 1 to 5 stage DPI shift for in-game needs. Then set polling rate to 1000 Hz for lowest latency, but select 500 Hz if CPU or dongle issues appear. Next, adjust lift-off distance and surface tuning so tracking stays consistent across pads. This reduces aim jitter. Once these are set, save them to onboard memory for use without GHUB, ensuring portability. You finish by mapping buttons and building profiles. Assign primary and secondary clicks, macros, and DPI shift to specific buttons to match your workflow or game. Then organize profiles by game and enable automatic profile switching so settings load when the game launches. Save critical profiles to onboard memory for use without the app. If settings fail to apply, try exporting profiles, reinstalling GHUB, and doing a factory reset on the device. This often resolves persistent sync or detection.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.